In a quaint little town, nestled between rolling hills and picturesque landscapes, lived a remarkable man named Samuel. At 92 years old, Samuel was a walking repository of wisdom, and his gentle demeanor made him the beloved figure in the community. His grandson, Ethan, cherished their conversations and the invaluable life lessons they imparted. One sunny afternoon, as they sat on the porch overlooking the peaceful countryside, Ethan turned to his grandfather with a curious question. "Grandpa," he asked, "how do you determine how smart someone is?" Samuel leaned back in his rocking chair and gazed into the horizon for a moment, as if collecting his thoughts. Then, with a twinkle in his eye, he began to share his method. "You see, Ethan," Samuel started, "the measure of a person's intelligence isn't solely in their knowledge or the degrees they've earned. It's in their curiosity and their willingness to learn, even in their later years." He continued, "I've met many brilliant minds in my time, doctors and professors, engineers and scientists, but the smartest among them were those who never stopped asking questions, who approached life with an open heart and an open mind." Ethan listened intently, hanging on to every word. "Intelligence," Samuel explained, "is about adaptability and resilience. It's about facing adversity and learning from it. It's about being humble enough to acknowledge that you don't have all the answers, and yet having the courage to seek them." As the sun began its descent behind the hills, casting a warm, golden hue over their conversation, Samuel concluded, "So, my dear Ethan, if you want to know how smart someone is, look for their curiosity, their humility, and their willingness to grow. Those are the qualities that truly make a person wise." Ethan nodded, taking in the profound wisdom of his 92-year-old grandfather. From that day forward, he carried Samuel's lessons with him, knowing that intelligence wasn't just about what one knew, but how one approached the journey of learning and growth. As the years passed, Samuel's words continued to inspire not only Ethan, but also the entire community. They learned that true intelligence was a lifelong pursuit, one that was fueled by curiosity, resilience, and an open heart, an enduring lesson from a wise and ageless soul.